Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of MO Woodworking. Today I am at my cabin with my family. And right now I am sitting in front of a Daka 521 wood burning furnace that was installed to heat the finished parts of this cabin that were done by the original owner. The previous owner. And it is producing heat right now. I'll take you on a little tour. Here we have a duct going up and up and up. Going through over here. Going through this part here. It stops, takes a 90-degree turn, and goes up to the living room. Now let's take it back to the unit. And we are gonna go down to here. And through this wall are the duct pipes, whatever, to heat the stairway. And that wooden box down there is a cold air return pipe. Well, it's covering a cold air return pipe. I think the previous owner put that in there to cover up that pipe. And now we're going to take it back to the unit again. Here's the unit itself. There's the cold air return. Here's the pipe. And we are in the 190s. Or around the 190s area. We're in between 100 and 200. And this pipe goes all the way out through the roof. And here is the blower and the motor right there. And this indicator does not work. And here's the plug or the cord that runs up to a thermostat, which is right in this electrical box mounted onto this side of this furnace. And it runs all the way back until you see the motor of the blower. And now, coming to the front of the unit. Here we have an air inlet knob, your automatic damper control, and this ash drawer. And here, pull open this door. Boy, don't you guys wish that you were just sitting in front of this furnace. Nice and cozy warm. Oh. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to watch more, make sure you subscribe. Bye.